Welcome to the presentation of Food Bank Intercontinental, the Joy Package Plan, which costs 350 Naira to start. Food Bank Intercontinental is a multi-level marketing company mapped out to change people's lives positively by empowering them, providing financial freedom of fighting starvation, poverty, and to overcome economic crisis in the society. When you get started with Food Bank Intercontinental, you get foodstuffs. You never have to spend your money on foodstuffs again. You get kitchen items, you get home appliances, and even a car award. And you only need just 350 Naira to earn all this. Our head office is at first floor, shop 37, Indiogu Plaza, Topland, Ameshi Road, opposite Amushi Filling Station, Enugu State, Nigeria. And www.foodbankintercontinental.com is our website. This company is duly registered with CAC and EFCC. FBI Job Package has stage 1 to stage 7. And just as I've said, you only need 350 Naira to become a partner and recommend this same wonderful opportunity to 3 of your friends or family. Multiple accounts is also welcome. You can register 4 accounts, you can register, which costs 1,400. You can register 14 accounts, which cost 4,900, or 40 accounts, which costs 14,000 Naira and more. Opening multiple accounts allows you to earn in multiple ways. FBI business is where you partner with 350 Naira and earn foodstuffs and cash, as well as kitchen and home appliances, even a car award. These are the compensation plan. It starts with stage 1, which is called the starter. When you register, this is you over here. A back office will be open for you in the company's portal, and what you need to do is to introduce 3 persons, 1, 2, 3, and you will complete stage 1. And what you get for stage 1 is 1 kg FBI rice, or 1 kg FBI beans, or 1 kg FBI gari plus mangi or groundnut oil. Then it will take, once you complete that, it will take you straight to stage 2, which is the silver manager. This is you again, this is you again. What you need to complete this stage is for you to get 12 persons that have completed stage 1, which is the starter, to come and join you here in stage 2. Once you get that, you move automatically to stage 3. So your benefits for completing this stage 2, is 5 kg FBI rice, or 5 kg FBI gari, or 5 kg FBI beans plus 700 milligrams of groundnut oil. Or you can decide to get 2,000 Naira cash equivalent, which should be sent to your bank account direct. Then once you complete this stage, you will move to stage 3, which is called the gold manager. Again, this is you. All you need to complete this stage is to have 12 persons under your network who have completed stage 2 to come and join you here. You have 12 persons that have completed stage 2 to come and join you here. Once that happens, automatically you move to stage 4. So the benefit for completing stage 2 in food items is 10 kg rice, or 10 kg gari, or 10 kg beans, plus 1 liter of groundnut oil, plus mangi, plus seasoning, plus bedsheet. Or if you don't want to go for food items, you can get the cash equivalent of 6,000 Naira sent to your local bank account. Then once you complete that stage, you move to stage 4, called the gold director. Again, this is you, and what it takes to complete this stage is to have 12 persons under your network that have completed stage 3. Once you have 12 persons that have completed stage 3 to come and join you here, you automatically move to stage 5. And for completing this stage, what you get is 10 kg FBI rice, or 10 kg gari, or 10 kg beans, plus 1.6 liters of groundnut oil, Maggi, seasoning, 210 gram, that's 8 pieces of tin tomatoes, 2 kg semo, 1 carton of noodles, detergent, blender. And once you complete this stage, you upgrade to the next stage from your earnings. And if you don't want to get the food items, you order for the cash equivalent, which is 14,000 naira, plus the cash benefit of 10,000 naira, making a total of 24,000 naira. Once you complete this stage, you move to the next stage, which is stage 5, called the Platinum Manager. Again, this is you. What it takes for you to complete this stage is to have 12 persons that have completed stage 4 to come and join you here. And once that happens, you move straight to stage 6. And for completing this stage, you have 1 month online advert from the company and a cash of 70,000 naira. Then your food items benefit are 2 bags of 50 kg FBI rice. You have 2 bags of 50 kg rice, 10 liters of groundnut oil, 10 kg beans, 10 kg semo, 10 liters of palm oil, 3 pieces of Maggi, seasonings, and the rest. Then, if you decide to go for the cash equivalent, you will be paid 140,000 naira. That will be 70,000 naira plus 140,000 naira. And for you need to, from your earnings, you upgrade to the next stage with 7,100 from your earnings. Once you complete this stage, you move to stage 6, called the Platinum Manager. Again, what you need to complete this stage, this is you, is to have 12 persons come join you here that have completed stage 5 under your network. Once that happens, you move straight to stage 7. Then for completing this stage, those are your benefits. You get 1 month online advert from the company and a cash of 70,000 naira. Then you get food items worth 140,000 naira. Then you have 2 bags of 50 kg FBI rice, 10 liters of groundnut oil, 10 kg beans, 10 kg semo, 10 liters of palm oil, 3 pieces of Maggi, seasoning, 3 pieces of 400 gram tomatoes, 20 pieces of 210 gram tin tomato, and all the likes. Then, if you don't want to go for the food items, you get cash equivalent of 140,000 naira. Once you complete this stage, you move straight to the last stage, stage 7, which is the FBI Joy package. Again, for you to complete this stage, what you need, this is you, what you need is 12 persons that have completed stage 6 under your network to come and join you here. Once that happens, you have completed this stage. And here, what happened here, you have 2 month online advert from the company. In cash, you get 250,000 naira each on anyone that joins you. Here, 250 by 12. Each person that completes stage 6 that comes to join you in stage 7, the company pays you 250 for each person that completes stage 6 and come and join you here. In total, by 12, you have 3 million naira cash and can be withdrawn without qualifying. That's anybody that comes, you are paid instantly 250,000. Then you get a car award worth 5 million naira, foodstuff worth 400,000 naira, electronics worth 800,000 naira, child education support of 1 million naira, additional foodstuff worth 100,000 naira for 5 months. Once you complete this stage for 5 months, the company will be sending you food worth 100,000 naira every month for 5 months. This stage is the last stage. Then I would like to talk about multiple accounts, how multiple account works. Multiple account allows you to register yourself on the platform in multiple places, allowing you to earn in multiple ways as well as one platform, multiple source of income. It enables you to move faster in terms of completing the stages. For example, a single account is 350 naira or just $0.92. 4 account is 1,400. This will register 4 accounts in your name and take you to stage 2 direct. 40 account is 14,000 naira. This takes you to stage 3 direct. And 364 account is 127,400 naira. This takes you to stage 4 direct. Why am I in FBI business? You get cash worth 3 million naira or a total cash sum of 10.7 million naira into your bank account after qualifying in each of the accounts you registered. You get free foodstuffs worth 400,000 naira in all the accounts you registered, brand new cars with worth 500 naira in all the accounts you registered. You get free scholarship worth 1 million naira for your child in all the accounts you registered. You get free electronics worth 800,000 naira in all the accounts you registered. Additional foodstuff worth 100,000 for 5 months in all the accounts you registered. I told myself I must make this business work and I must be celebrated in every of the awards. Below is the summary of the earnings. Welcome pack. For each of the accounts you registered, you get 1 sachet of noodles as a welcome pack. Then for completing stage 1, you earn a total of 250 naira. For completing stage 2, 2,000 naira, stage 3, 6,000 naira, stage 4, 14,000 naira, stage 5, 210,000 naira, stage 6, 1.85 million naira, stage 7, 10.7 million naira. This is the monetized aspect. Then you have a total of 12,117,250 or $31,516,000. This you can earn in 6 to 12 months of dedication. Our team have the strategy and blueprint to help you achieve that. Note, food incentives can be substituted for cash, so your location is not a barrier at all. How to join? With a registration fee of just 350 naira for 1 account or 1,400 for 4 accounts, and move straight to stage 2 and earn immediately after your registration, or 14,000 naira for 40 accounts and move to stage 3 and earn both stage 1 and stage 2 benefits. Enjoy the teamwork and start any big time with FBI Joy package plan. Distance is not a barrier, I will say again. We deliver nationwide. That's how sweet this team is. Your goods will get to you through Waybill or money equivalent sent to your bank account. Become a member today and enjoy good life. To join Foodbank Intercontinental through the fastest growing team in Africa, FBI Achievers team, decide the numbers of accounts. They start from you deciding the number of accounts you want to start with. Then you make a deposit to the company's account. Then send the evidence of payment to our team leader, Shegun, on private chat on WhatsApp. Send your evidence of payment to this number that is displaying on the screen. Then you will be registered. This is the company's, the single account. Again, the single account is 350 naira. 4 accounts, which will register you in 4 places, is 1,400. Then this will take you direct to stage 2. Then 40 account, which is 14,000 naira, takes you direct to stage 3. That means you are going to register yourself in 40 places. Yeah, it will take you direct to stage 3. Then we have 364 account, which is 124,400. This will take you to stage 4 direct, and you will earn all the incentives for all the stages you've completed instantly. This is the company's account. Account name FB Intercontinental Ventures Limited. Account number 00767888908 and bank name Sterling Bank. Once your payment is confirmed, your registration will be processed within 30 minutes to 1 hour. Once you register, send evidence of payment to our team leader, Shegun, on WhatsApp, and you'll be registered. This is the WhatsApp number. You can take it down. Once you make your payment to the company's account, send your evidence of payment to this WhatsApp number, and you'll be registered within 30 to 1 hour, and you join our team, and the rest will be history. Thank you. Hope to see you at the top. So for more enquiries and registration, call or WhatsApp this number, or send us an email, or get back to the person that sent you this video. If it's one of our team members that sent you this video, you can get back to the person to get registered. For more inquiry, make sure you call or WhatsApp this number, 08062763647. Thanks, and God bless you. Bye for now.